Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about design pattern in Java, composite pattern. So a composite pattern says that just allow clients to operate in a generic manner on objects that may or may not represent a hierarchy of objects. So advantage of composite design pattern. It defines class hierarchies that contain primitive and complex objects. It makes easier to you to add new kinds of components, and it provides flexibility of structure with a manageable class or interface. So usage of composite pattern. It is used when you want to represent a full or partial hierarchy of objects. When the responsibilities are needed to be added dynamically to the individual objects without affecting other objects, where the responsibility of object may vary from time to time. So elements used in composite pattern. So the four elements of composite pattern are: first, component declares interface for objects in composition, implements a default behavior for the interface common to all classes as appropriate, and declares an interface for accessing and managing its child components. Leaf represents a leaf objects in composition. A leaf has no children. Defines behavior for primitive objects in the composition. Composite defines behavior for components having children, stores child component, and implements child related operations in the component interface. Client manipulates objects in the composition through the component interface. So the client uses the component class interface to interact with objects in the composition structure. And if recipient is the leaf, then the request will be handled directly. And if recipient is a composite, then it usually forwards the request to its child for performing the additional operations.